Hello, children. Hope so. You all are keeping safe at home. I think this year also we have to continue our classes through online as we have done in Standard 1. I'm your EVS teacher. My name is Deepika Agarwal. I'm going to teach EVS, and the book which we are going to follow this year is Wonder World 2. And children, you have to follow a copy which is 4-line interleaf copy. And when ma'am will give you work, you will be writing in the 4-line place. And if ma'am asks you to draw any sort of work, that you will do on the plain page. I'm sending you a picture of that interleaf 4-line copy. Now, children, I would like to say one thing, that you have to develop the habit of opening your book when you watch the videos, and you will also read the book every day. Along with reading, you will also get in the habit of underlining difficult words, and you will also learn those words that will help you to increase your word stock, or we also call it vocabulary. So that will help you to increase your vocabulary. And sometimes it happens your teacher has given you some hard words, they are all new for you, but still there are some words left in the chapter which you don't know, whose spelling you don't know. You learn those words, the spellings of those words on your own. Don't wait for your teacher to send you those words. You learn them, that will increase your word stock, and you will be able to speak English properly using those words. So now, children, we will start our new chapter, first chapter today, and the name of the chapter is About Me. Paste an old picture of yourself in the frame on the left. In the other frame, paste your recent picture. Do you look very different in the two pictures? In what ways have you grown? Me last year, me now. So here, children, you have to take two photographs. One for the last year and one how you look now. Okay, so here you have to paste both the pictures, and now you have to compare what are the changes which has occurred in you. Okay, have you grown taller or you are the same as you were there last year? So you have to compare it on your own. Here are some sentences given below. You have to judge yourself what are the changes you have seen in yourself. Okay, and here one blank is given. I was dash years old. So how many years old you are now? So 1 year back you will be 1 year less. Okay, use your mathematical ideas. Like if you are 7 years now, so last year you might be 6 years. So here you have to write I was dash years old. So you have to write it on your own. Okay, and I look like this now. So here you have to paste your current picture. Now let's move forward. Look at the above two pictures again. Tick the sentences that are true and cross out those that are not. So here number 1 is I have grown taller. So now, children, compare yourself. Are you the same as you were last year, or you have gained some height? You are taller now, or you are the same height? You have the same height, or have you grown a little bit taller? Compare it yourself. Hope so. You might have got some height. So here what you will do, you will put a tick if you have got some height. Now in number 2, I have more number of teeth. Many of you might have got new teeth during this 1 year. So you have to put a tick against it. If not, then you will put a cross. Now number 3, the color of my eyes has changed. So children, is it there that last year you were having eyes which were black in color and now they have changed to blue or green, or you have those brown color eyes? No, it's not happening. Whatever eyes you had last year, you have the same one. Different people have different colors of their eyeball, but that remains the same. So here we will put a cross and you judge it yourself also, okay? Now my shoe size has changed. Are you wearing the same shoe which you were wearing last year? If yes, then you will put a cross. If no, you are wearing a new shoes because the last one has become small for you, you are unable to wear it, then you will put a tick because you have changed your shoe. It has become small, or you can say your leg has become, your toes have become big, okay? Now, the color of my hair has changed. So is it there any of the child whose hair color last year was black and now it is green or yellow or brown? No, na? So the color of the hair, it doesn't get changed, okay? So it is same as you had last year, you have same color now also. So what you will do, the color of my hair has changed. Has it changed? No. So we will put a cross. Now I have learned to do many new things. Have you really learned to do a lot many new things compared to last year? Have you learned to tie your shoelace or to comb your hair on your own, or still dependent on your mother? Or have you learned to open and close the gate on your own? Or some more new things like now can you wipe out your body yourself with the help of a towel after a bath? So just think about all these things. Have you learned new things, or you are the same as you were last year? Try to find out what work you can do now which you were unable to do last year. इस ईयर आप लोग क्या क्या नया काम सीखे हैं जो लास्ट ईयर नहीं कर पाते थे, वो देखो और कैलकुलेट करो कि यस these are the changes which I had. So now you think कि I have learned to do many new things. Have you learned to do some new things? If yes, then you put a tick. If no, then you cross out. And you should learn. If you are crossing out, you should learn, because you should learn new things every day as you are growing up. We will go through the new topic growing up in our next class. Till then, children, take care. Thank you.